right. This is the day after surgery. You got your eye patch off.
Do have my eye patch off until nighttime.
Yeah.
And good news, left eye has made it to 20/20. Right eye, this is the day after surgery, is 20/30. So I'm hopeful that one will catch up and be 20/20 as well, and probably have to use maybe readers for reading. I can read out to here without anything, but I tried on her readers and yeah, I can read up here. So
here comes the doctor. All right, we finished at about 8:30, so no churches today. We are gonna go Jack in the Box, get something to eat here. So we are back from the eye clinic. We had Jack in the Box for breakfast. Yeah, instead of churches. But I didn't film very much because Dub's appointment was at 7:50, so we had to leave here at 7, and it was pitch black, dark. So no filming. I haven't driven in the dark and I don't know when. Yeah, so anyway, not a lot. It was, gosh, I think we were in there and out of there in an hour. So that was good. We didn't have to sit around a lot. Everything's good on her end. So that's good news too. So just hanging out in the camper today. It's kind of cloudy. I'm kind of, since I got up 2 mornings in a row early, it's like just kind of a lazy day. Really? What do you have to say? I know, but we already did that. Well, we did. Come here. Come here. We already did that. Yeah, we did. We just got back from doing that. Yeah. Okay? We're going to rest the rest of the day, okay? We're going to rest. We'll find something to eat in a little while, okay? It's not time yet. All right? Okay. Anyway. It's okay. It's okay. So, I didn't really film very much today because I didn't do very much today. But I'm going to go ahead and get this uploaded. Just so the people that are following along on Dubs' surgery, that the conclusion of, now she has one more appointment, which is a week out. Well, and then she has a month appointment, but for the surgery, one more appointment. So other than that, it's done. So I'm going to add some little clips of Sammy playing around. Yeah. But other than that, I'm going to get this video uploaded. So I'll see y'all in the next video. What are you doing? Oh, what are you doing? Oh, don't get on my laptop. Are you going to read? Oh, yeah, yeah, oh. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Do you want to go outside? Okay. Ooh, okay.